Welcome! In today's guide, I'll be walking you through the simple steps to hide chat notifications from showing up on your phone's lock screen for Messenger. If you've ever wanted a little extra privacy when it comes to your conversations, this quick tutorial will help you set it up in just a few taps. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the options to control how your apps behave. From there, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your phone, and it's where we can customize Messenger's notification preferences. Next, select Messenger from the list. This will take you directly into the app's settings panel. Once inside, tap on Notifications. You're now in the area that handles how Messenger alerts show up on your device. To get more control, open Notification Categories. This breaks down Messenger's notifications into different types, so you can adjust them individually. Now choose Chats. Since we're focusing on hiding chat notifications from the lock screen, this is the option we need. Finally, tap on Lock Screen. Here, you'll see different choices for how notifications are displayed. Select Don't Show on Lock Screen. With this setting enabled, your Messenger chat previews will no longer appear when your screen is locked, and that's it. From now on, whenever you receive a chat message, your phone will stay private. No messages will pop up for anyone to see at a glance. You'll still get your notifications when you unlock the phone, but your conversations will remain hidden until you're ready to check them. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference if you value your privacy or simply prefer a cleaner lock screen. It only takes a minute to set up, and once you've done it, you won't have to worry about Messenger previews showing up in places you don't want them. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to hide Messenger chat notifications on your lock screen. If you found this helpful, go ahead and adjust your settings right now.